Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 2.5 mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the forehead bottom plate. Pull out the hub. Use tweezers to remove the 3 buckles. Disconnect the right brake lever terminal. Use a 4 mm hex key to loosen the fixing screw of the right brake lever. Use a 3 mm hex key to loosen the screw that fixes the right button. Unscrew the screw that secures the right brake lever. Take precautions to avoid oil leakage. Pull aside the tubing sheath. Use an 8 mm open-ended wrench to loosen the tubing joint screw. Separate the tubing from the brake lever. Use an integrated oil needle press and tool to cut off the olive sleeve. Insert the quick-release oil needle and remove the plug. Align the ejector pin of the integrated oil needle pressing tool with the oil needle and clamp it. Confirm that it is aligned with the oil needle. Slowly push the oil needle in. Ensure it is fully pressed in and installed smoothly. Reinstall the olive sleeve. Use a 6 mm hex wrench to remove the oil stop plug. Use a 6 mm hex key to remove the oil stop plug. Tighten the joint screw. Wipe the oil off the surface. Install the protective sheath. First, pre-tighten the screw of the brake lever. Fit the raised part of the brake lever into the groove of the right button. Tighten the fixing screws. Adjust the brake lever to an appropriate position and then tighten the screw. Align the notch and insert the brake lever terminal back. Push the hub back. Reinstall the forehead bottom plate. Adjust the front light to the highest position. Screw in the fixing screws. Adjust the headlight to an appropriate position. Take out the smallest clip. Secure the 3 wire harnesses on the left handlebar. Use the remaining clips to fasten the 4 wire harnesses on the right handlebar. Ensure it is fully fastened. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.